What's your favorite animal? Well, seals are so cute, but I also think bears are pretty cool. Really? Did you know that those two animals are related? What? How? Let me explain. Let's start out with your average brown bear. Brown bears have their own role, or niche, within their habitat. They are their own species. The definition of a species is a classification of animals that are able to produce offspring, with the offspring being able to reproduce as well. Each animal will look similar to each other, with some minor differences between each generation. Minor differences? What causes these? We all contain DNA, tiny spiral ladder-like parts of ourselves. The genes inside DNA make up the coding of our traits. Everybody has a unique code, so everybody is different. Okay, but why does this matter? It's useful for individual animals to be unique, because each will have its own strengths and weaknesses.
Some might have differences that help them live better in the existing environment. Those ones survive and have offspring with those same changes. This is also why many animals have so many offspring. The more offspring, the more minor differences, which can guarantee the species' survival. This test of nature is called natural selection.
I think I've heard of that. So what causes these differences? There are two ways: mutation and recombination. Mutation is when a single gene alters in the middle of a lifetime. This can naturally occur when a cell divides, or because of some outside force like radiation or chemicals. Recombination is when two parents give birth. The offspring inherits genes from both parents, which combine to form a new and unique being. Over time, these changes may help the animal better fill their niche. The bear might develop claws that are great for catching fish, or a smaller body better suited for climbing trees. Whoa, these types of changes sound great! What if, say, a new species is introduced and the bear has to compete for food? What might happen? Let's say that wolves are introduced to the same habitat as the brown bear. 3 things might happen.
The bear might improve its game. Some bears might be able to run faster than the wolf and survive by catching enough food, resulting in all fast-running bears. The bear might also change its game. Maybe the bear develops to prefer berries and grasses and eventually doesn't compete with the wolf anymore. Finally, if the bear doesn't evolve down either of those paths, the bear will go extinct. It simply can't adapt to the new change.
Wow. So all of these factors result in adaptation, which results in change within the species, which could result in another species? Yep, and that's how we get biodiversity.